Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short demo, I'm going to be sharing with you how to set up a DNS name for your membership portal. And I'm going to be doing this with Cloudflare today. Now, you might be using a different DNS provider. The process is pretty much identical to what I'm going to show you here today, with the exception of SSL or TLS, depending on how you have that set up. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm inside of Cloudflare. I'm going to head over to DNS, and then I'm going to go ahead and click add a record. And then this is going to be a CNAME record here. And then now I get to choose what we're going to use for the subdomain name that we're going to be CNAMing for the membership portal. So in my case, I'm going to call it members. So this is the domain name here, members.codewithintent.com. And then now we need a target, and our target is just our portal. So we're going to go to development, membership portal. We're going to head over to settings. We're going to go ahead and grab this URL here. Make sure you don't get the HTTPS. You just want the URL without the HTTP. So just like that. So if I take a look inside here, there's no HTTP. I have no additional extra spaces. It's pretty much this really long URL. And then Cloudflare goes ahead and automatically manages my SSL, so I don't need to go and generate an SSL certificate. If you are managing the SSL certificate on your own, you will have to provide us an SSL certificate for us to verify that this will work correctly. But in my case, Cloudflare takes care of all that for me, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it proxied here, and I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And that's going to go ahead and add the entry to the DNS, and that's pretty much all good to go there. Now, if we come back to our portal, we're going to head over into development. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to SEO. And then right here is where you want to type in that domain name. So we're going to go ahead and type in members there, and we're going to go ahead and save those settings there. Now, at this point, depending on your DNS, you might be able to see these changes right away. Some DNS providers take longer. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out here, and it looks like that's working. You can see here on the top of my browser that the subdomain now is loading properly. And if we check out the SSL certificate, that's all working great because it's coming through Cloudflare, and that's just getting proxied over into the SSL certificate for the portal itself. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to socialgoodsoftware.com/feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com/feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.